Hello my dear students of class 5, welcome to maths class once again. We are still in chapter number 5 and we are to the end of this chapter, that is revision exercise. So I will do few questions of this exercise as some questions are difficult which you cannot do. Okay, so let us do that questions today. And question number 1 and 2 I have already given you as a homework. Question number 3 and 4 is similar to what I have taught you in my previous class. Question number 3 is asking to find the greatest number, okay, and it is leaving 7 as a remainder. Okay, so what you will do in this case, you have to find SCF, but before finding SCF, what you will do, you will subtract 7 from each. Okay, 7 you will subtract from each, then you will find the SCF. And question number 4 is to find the smallest number, which when divided by 66, 99 and 88 leaves exactly 6 as a remainder. So in this case what you will do is smallest means you will find the LCM of this number only. Okay, in this case don't subtract 6. In the smallest one you will not subtract. Okay, what you will do, you will find the LCM and at last whatever the LCM you will get, you will add there 6. Okay, so now I'll teach you today question number 5 how to do. So what is question number 5? An army officer has to perform equal rows of 15 or 20 soldiers. What is the minimum number of soldiers that the officer will need? So how to do question number 5? What you have to do is that whatever the number is given, 15 and 20. Okay, we will find the LCM of this and what we will get, what they are asking, what is the minimum number of soldiers that the officer will need. So here minimum is written, so we will find the LCM of this 15 and 20 and we will get the minimum number of soldiers. Okay, so let us start. So we'll write here LCM of 15, okay, and 20. So we'll find the LCM. You know that, so 15 doesn't come, we will write 15, so 2 10s are 20. Again 15 doesn't come, 2 5s are 10. Now this 5 will not come in 2 table, 15 will also not come, it will come in 3 table, this 15. So 3 5s are 15. Again we will write this 5 as it is not coming. Okay, then 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Done. Now we will find the LCM. So whatever the LCM we will get, that will be the minimum number of soldiers. So LCM is, you know how to find, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so 2 2s are 4. Okay, into 3 5s are 15. So 4 15s are how much? What you can do, you can multiply, or 15 4s are how much? If you will write, it is same only. Okay, so 15 4s are how much? It is 60. Okay, so we got the LCM is what? 60. So this is the answer. Whatever the LCM you will get, this is the answer, that what they are asking, the minimum number of soldiers that the officer will need. Okay, so we can write here thus, okay, 60 soldiers, the 60 soldiers will be needed. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so now let us see what is question number 6. Question number 6 is very interesting. What it is? 3 bells stall at the intervals of 20, 25 and 30 seconds. If all the 3 bells stall together at 12 noon, when will they toll together next? Okay, so there are 3 bells. Okay, one bell is ringing at 20 second, okay, other 25, and the last one, the third one, 30 second. Okay, so if they are ringing together at 12 o'clock, these 3 bells are ringing together. Okay, so when they will toll together again, they are asking the time. So what you have to do, again the same thing, you have to find the LCM of this 3 number. Okay, you have to find the LCM of this 3 numbers. So let us find. So now what are the numbers? We will find here LCM of 20, 25 and 30. So 20, 25, 30. Okay, so you know that 20 and 30 will come in the 2 tables. So 2 10s are 20, 25 will not come, 2 15s are 30. Then again 2 5s are 10, 25 will not come, write 25, 15 will also not come, write 15. Okay, Now you know that these three numbers will not come in the 2 table, but one of this 15 will come in the 3 table. Okay, so we'll write here 5. This will be 25 as it will not come. So 3 5s are 15. Now all these three number will come in the table of 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Again this 5 will come in the 5 table. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. Now what is the LCM? LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, and 5 5s are 25. Now we will multiply this 12 and 25. So 12 into 25, how much? 5 2s are 10, 1 5 1s are 5 plus 1 is 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 0, 6 plus 4 is 10, 1. Okay, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So what is the LCM? Is 300. 300 is the LCM, but you have seen in the question that what is written? Seconds. Okay, that means this is 300 second. Okay, this is 300 second. Okay, they are asking us the time that when it will ring together again. Okay, when it will toll together again. So it has toll at 12 noon. Okay, together. So after how many minutes or whatever second, when they will ring together again. So what you have to do is that this is second. So what I will do, I'll convert this into minute. Okay, so I'll write here that 1 minute is equals to 60 second. Okay, so this is 300 seconds. So we are going to convert this into minute. Okay, we are going to convert into minute. So 300 divided by 60 we will do. 0 0 cancel. Do in this way also, you will get the answer. Like if 0 is there at last, what you can do, you can cancel it. 0 0 cancel. Now see, it becomes so easy. 6 1 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. So how much we got? 5 minute. Okay, I have converted this into minute. This second I have converted, this was 300 second, I have converted into minute. Okay, otherwise you can divide this here like that. Okay, I'm doing here 300 and you can divide here 60. Okay, so you know that 65 is a 300. If you multiply, you will get. So see, in this way also you got 5. So you can do this divide also, or you can, if last 0 is there, you can cancel it and see it becomes easy. 6 1 is 6, 6 5 is 30. So 5 minute we got. So whatever the LCM was, that we have converted into minute. Now they have toll at 12 noon together. So after 5 minutes, what will be the time? So what will be the time? It was 12 noon. That means it is in afternoon. So it will be PM. So what we have to do? We have to add this 5 minute there. Okay. So this one is for minute. I'm adding here 5 minute. 0 0 5 0 2 1. So it will toll again after 5 minutes, and what will be the time? 12 5 will be the time, and it will be PM. Okay, it was noon. So what you have to add is PM. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Now let us do the next question. So let us see now what is question number 7. Question number 7 is, what will be the maximum length of each piece of ribbon if two ribbons of lengths 54 meters and 72 meters are cut into equal pieces? Okay, so they are asking us the maximum length. So maximum length means what we have to do? We have to find the SCF of this two number. So here the two ribbons are of different lengths. Okay, 54 and one is of 72 meters. Okay, so when they are cut into equal piece, so what is the maximum length of that each piece? Okay, and it should be equal. They are asking us the maximum length. So what you have to do? I said maximum is written. What you have to do? You have to find the SCF, so you will get the answer. So let us do. Okay, so what we will do? Let us write here. Find SCF of 54 and 72. So let us find the SCF of these two. You can do by any method. I am doing by prime factorization method. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Okay, it will come in 3 tables. So 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, it will come in 2 tables. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Okay, 3 was there, 1 given to it becomes 16. So 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now what are common? Let us do there only. 2 2 is common. Now what is common? 3 is common. one more 3 is common. Okay, so what we will do, we will find the SCF we are finding. Okay, so first we will find the product. So what is the product? Is 2 out of this 2, 1 and 1. So 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18. So what is the SCF? SCF of 54 and 72 is 18. Okay, and this is the maximum length. Okay, so what will the maximum length? What we got? 18. So maximum length of the ribbon will be 18 meter. 18 meters, or you can write this 18 meter, just you need. Okay, and we have to even find that how many pieces it can be cut into. Okay, into the equal pieces. So what we can do, where the length 54 and 72 we will add. Okay, first we will find the total length. Total length is equals to 54 plus 72. One was of 54 and one is of 72 meter. So we will add this. How much we will get? 126. Now what we will do? We will divide this by 18. Okay, 126 divided by 18. Okay, so now let us divide this. 126 will be here and 18 will be outside. Now how to do? So if you will read 18 table, so 18 7 ja 126. Okay, so how many pieces will be cut into? 7 pieces. So 7 is the answer. So 2 answers are there. 1, 2. This is the maximum length and this is the number of pieces, 7 pieces. Okay, now let us see the next question. Now question number 8 is easy, which I have taught you in exercise 5.3. You have to find the other number. Okay, SCF and LCM is given. This is the SCF, this is the LCM. We have to find, here they have given one number, we have to find the other number. So what you will do, other number equals to SCF into LCM by one number. Okay, so this you will do by yourself. This is your homework. Now question number 9, the LCM of two numbers whose product is 2750 is 550. What is the SCF of the two numbers? So here this type of question was also there in 5.3. okay, but their SCF was there. So here LCM is given. So this is the product of the two number, and this one is what? This one is the LCM. Okay, and we have to find the SCF. So let us start how to do. Okay, so how to do is that what you need to do is that what we will do, we will write first what are given. Okay, so LCM is given. LCM is what? Is 550. Okay, they have said us to find the SCF, question mark we will put, and product of the two numbers is equals to how much? 2750. So how to find this SCF? You know that SCF is equals to product of the two numbers, okay, divided by LCM. Okay, product of the two numbers divided by LCM. So SCF is equals to, what is the product of the two number? 2750. 2750, and what is the LCM? 550. Okay, so now let us divide here. Okay, so now let us first write the table of 550 so that it will become easy for us to do. So 550 ones are 550. Okay, so what you will do? So what you will do? You will multiply by 2, 3, and in that way you can do. So 550 ones are 550. Okay, 2 ja what you will get is 1100. 3 ja you will get 1650. Okay, and when you will multiply by 4 you will get 2200, and by 5 you will get 2750. Okay, so you can see here that we have got 2750 Okay, it is here, and this is the what dividend also. So already we got, so 555 55 are 2750. Now let us subtract this. Okay, it will all will be 0. So what we got, the SCF is equals to 5. So this is the answer. We got the answer. Okay, now let us do the next question, the last question, question number 10. Okay, my dear students, now let us do question number 10. Okay, so question number 10 is complete the following table. You can see here this table. In this table, some boxes are empty. You can see, so we have to fill this. So first of all, let us see this. What are these? Okay, this is the first number, which I have already taught you one number now here in the few questions. So that one number means first number, second number means the other number. SCF is there, LCM is there. Okay, so now in the first case, first number is given, second number is given. We have to find SCF, and LCM is given. So I have already taught you how to find the SCF. What you have to do? You have to multiply these two and divide by LCM. Okay, so let us do that. So you can see here that I have already written question number 10. A we are doing. Okay, so we will write here A. First number was given 655, second number 262. Okay, we have to find SCF. LCM is given 1310. So how to find SCF? What you have to do? First number into second number. Okay, divide by LCM. Now what is the first number? Is 655 into 262 divided by LCM is what? 1310. Okay, so now what you have to do is that you have to multiply this two, then divide by 1310. Okay, so let us multiply this two. 2 5 is 10, 1, 2 5 is 10, 11, 1, 2 6 is 12, 13. Okay, 6 5 is 33. 6 5 is 30 plus 3 is 33, 3. 6 is 36, 36 plus 3 is what? 39. Then 2 5 is 10, 1. Okay, 2 5 is 10 plus 1, 11, 1. 2 6 is 12 plus 1 is how much? Is 13. Now let us add this 0. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1, 3 plus 3 is 6. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 given to it. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 is how much? It is 7. Okay, and 1 we got after multiplying. Now what we will do? We will divide this by 1310. Okay, so let us divide this 1310. Okay, now we know that we have to take 4 digit because this is a 4 digit number. Okay, so let us first write the table of this. 1310. 1310 into 1 is 1310. Okay, 2 ja 2620, 3 ja 3930. Okay, so now let us see. This one will write for a while. Okay, so 1 ja will write because you can see more is there, so less will be how much? Will be this only. So 6 0, 7 minus 3 is 4, 0. Bring this 1 down. You can see that after this if I will write, it will come more, it will not come this. So less what we can write? We can write this 3 ja 3930. 1, 6 minus 3 is 3. It will take borrowing, it will become 3. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring this 0 down. Now you can see it is same. So 1 ja 1310 cross because 0 will come. Okay, so what is the SCF? You are finding, no? So the SCF is equals to 131. This is the answer. In this way you will find. Okay, now let us do the next one. So now in this question number B, what is given? First number, second number is not given, SCF is given, LCM is given. We have to find second number. In this case I am not going to solve, but I will show you how to do. Okay, you will try by yourself. So see here, first number is given, that is 748. Second number is not given, put question mark. SCF is given 4, LCM is given, okay, 34,408. So what you have to do for second number is what? SCF into LCM by first number. So what is SCF? SCF is 4. What is LCM? 34,408, and what is the first number is 748. So what you will do, you will multiply 4 into this, and whatever the answer you will get, you will divide this by this number, that is 748, and you will get the second number. Okay, so you will do by yourself. This is your homework. Okay, this is your homework. You will do by yourself. You will try by yourself. If you will face any difficulty in doing, so you can ask me. Okay, so now let us see question number C. So in question number C, 10C, first number is given, second number is given, SCF is given. What you have to find? LCM. Okay, so now let us see how to find. So you can see first number is given 282, second number is given 729, SCF is given 3, LCM we need to find. So to find LCM, what you have to do? First number into second number by SCF. Okay, so what is the first number is 282, what is the second number? 729, and what is the SCF is 3. Okay, so what you will do, you will multiply first this, then divide by 3. 282, 729, 9 to the 18, 1 given to it, 9 8 is 72, plus 1 is 73, 7 given, 9 to the 18, 18 plus 7 is how much? It is 25, 2 to the 4, 2 8 is 16, 1 carry, 2 to the 4 plus 1 is what? 5. Okay, now the next one, 7 to the 14, 4, 1 carry, 7 8 ja 56, plus 1 is 57, 5 carry, 7 2 ja 14, plus 5 is 19. Now add it, 8, 3 plus 4 is 7, 10 plus 5 is 15, 1, 15, 1, okay, 10, 1, 2. So what we got is 205,578 divided by 3. So now we will divide by 3 and we will get the answer. So now let us divide this. Okay, so we will divide this and we will get the answer. Okay, so we have to divide this by what? 3. Okay, so see here, I am dividing here. So 3 6 is 18. Okay, when you will subtract, you will get 2. Bring this 5 down. 3 8 is 24. Minus 1 will be there. Okay, 5, 3 5 is 15, 0 0. Bring this 7 down, 7 doesn't come. 3 2 is 6, 7 minus 6 is how much? 1. Bring this 8 down. Okay, 3 6 is 18. So what is the answer? Is 68,526. So this is the LCM. LCM is equals to 68,526. So this is the answer. Okay, now I'll explain you the last one. You will do by yourself. So this D you will do by yourself. First number is not given, second is given, SCF is given, LCM is given. So how to find the first number? See here. Now in D, first number you have to find. So what you will do? SCF into LCM by second number. Okay, so whatever the SCF is given 9 and LCM is given how much? 22,842 divided by second number is 846. So you will multiply this and divide by this. You will get the answer. Okay, so this is also your homework. You will do by yourself. So for today up to this much, and I have completed chapter number 5. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can message me. I'll solve. Okay, I'll clear your doubt. So in my next class, I'll start the new chapter number 6, fractions. Okay, so whatever I have done, you will do in your copy as a classwork. And for today up to this much. Thank you.